In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn off YouTube watch history. If you want YouTube to stop saving your watch history, you can easily do so. Just watch this video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's get started, and first off, open up YouTube app. Then tap at your profile picture and select your data in YouTube. If you are doing it for the first time, it may ask you to enter email and password to get access to Google account settings, and after that you will be taken to this page where you should scroll down until you find YouTube watch history. Now it says on, you can tap on it, and on the next step you will be able to turn off saving of YouTube watch history. Just hit a turn off, then scroll down to make pause button active, then tap on it. Got it? That's it. I have just turned off YouTube watch history, and from now YouTube will not be able to save any watch history, but it will still keep your previous watch history. So you can tap at manage history to see all your search and watch history, and if you want to remove some videos you've watched from your watch history, you can just tap at that cross icon to easily remove those videos from here. Also, you can bulk delete them. Just hit add delete and then select delete today, delete custom range, or delete all the time. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.